All right, quick down and dirty on how to install the SKS locks. As you can see, I just have a plastic plug. You're gonna pinch the sides. On the side there where you see that little grip, that's gonna take it off. On the back side, there is a retaining clip. You're just gonna pop that out with a screwdriver, pop this off, and you're gonna pop the front out here. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back when it's empty. So now I'm going to get my replacement lock, and in order to put it in, you have to insert the key, and what that's going to do is it's going to push the tumblers down, and it's going to allow you to insert the key. You want to straighten, I don't know if I can get it in there, there's a little pit at the back of this. That little tab right there is going to go into the pit. So you're going to want to make sure that that's straight up and down at the 12 o'clock position. You're going to slide your assembly in. So now it's locked in. All right, we're good to go. And we're going to reinstall, turn it sideways, lock it, and we're all set.